Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by harvesting the most reliable signals from the target channel. Inspect the About, Tags, and Top playlists to capture niche keywords and recurring themes. This matters because keywords drive recommendation overlap. Once done, scan the video titles, descriptions, and pinned comments for exact phrases and collaborators. Make sure to record upload frequency and any series names, since similar cadence and series structure often attract the same viewers. This gives you the concrete terms to search next and seeds algorithmic similarity. Next, you translate those keywords into targeted searches and filter tactics inside YouTube. Enter exact phrases, then apply filters for duration, upload date, and view count to surface channels with comparable content and audience size. This narrows noise. Also inspect the channels sidebar and the similar channels section and cross-check Creator Studio suggestions if available. These expose algorithmic links. Once you discover candidates, compare thumbnails, recurring title structures, and tag overlap to confirm they serve the same audience. Finally, you validate and refine by engaging with candidate channels. Subscribe, watch several videos, and let YouTube's recommendation engine react. This reveals additional similar channels in the suggested feed. Use third-party analytics tools or reverse search thumbnails and titles to confirm audience overlap and tag similarity. If your tests return inconsistent recommendations, troubleshoot by clearing watch history or using incognito to remove personal influence, then repeat keyword-filtered searches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.